A Year with Frog and Toad, song number 1, page 1 in the script, a recording from Man Bird. And at a certain point during this recording, we will be going to the end for The Sun Is Out, The Sky Is Clear. To start off, we have a short introduction. So now we'll skip to The Sun Is Out.